In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Snapchat account permanently, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open the Snapchat application. At the top left corner of your screens, you will see your profiles icon, so click on it. Then click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and click on I need help. Again scroll down and click on this managing my account option. Here you will see the second option that says delete or deactivate my account. So click on it. Select how do I delete my Snapchat account. Now scroll down and then click on this accounts portal option. Enter your Snapchat account password. And once you have entered the password, all you have to do is to click on this continue option. And that's it. Your Snapchat account is now deleted permanently. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.